If I could restart trading today, I'd do this only. Forget the hype, the indicators, the screenshots. Most beginners jump into trading trying to learn everything at once. 10 indicators, 5 strategies, endless YouTube videos. The problem? They never master the basics and get overwhelmed. If I could start over, I'd ignore the noise and focus on foundational skills first. Step 1. Master risk management. The first thing I'd focus on is risk management. Protect your account before chasing profits. Learn to calculate position sizes. Always plan your stop loss. Your first priority is survival in trading. Without capital, nothing else matters. Comment below, do you track your risk per trade? There's a simple path that most beginners completely miss. Before we go further, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the full beginner series. Comment below if you're ready to finally focus on what matters. Step 2. Develop a simple strategy. Next, I'd pick one simple strategy and stick to it. Understand the rules completely. Avoid strategy hopping. Test on demo or small live account. It's better to do one thing well than 10 things poorly. Step 3. Journal and review trades. I journal every trade, entry and exit points, emotions during the trade, mistakes and wins. Review weekly. Identify patterns. Adjust your plans slowly. Don't chase perfection. Do you journal your trades? Comment yes or no below. I want to see who's serious about learning. Step 4. Focus on psychology. Trading isn't just charts and numbers. Your mindset determines whether you succeed. Patience beats impulsive decisions. Discipline beats guesswork. Controlling emotions prevents mistakes. If I restarted, I'd spend more time training my mindset than looking for indicators. Step 5. Build routines and consistency. Consistency is everything. Set fixed trading hours. Avoid overtrading. Follow your system daily. Even small, consistent steps compound into long-term success. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Start with risk, simplicity, and consistency, and ignore everything else until you master it. Hit like, share this video with someone who's overwhelmed by trading, and comment your biggest challenge as a beginner. And don't forget to watch the full beginner series. Every episode builds your foundation. I'm Chris. See you in the next video.